One of the strangest places we visited while in Guadalajara this time was the GATO CAFÉ. They had cat robots as waiters. And ordering was pretty much entirely online, which was much harder than it looked because none of our translation apps worked because there was no sound. And do you think you hear Red Hot Chili Peppers in the background? Think again.
Just scroll through it.
All the music was like American covers, kind of like you'd hear at a karaoke bar.
Keep going faster.
As a cafe, this place was really known for its drinks, but we actually got dinner. The cat decor was insane, and we'll take you on a tour of the restaurant and show you all of it. Hola. The Mexican people always have a good sense of humor. You had to be careful because those robot cats would run you over.
Look, they got little cats on them. Are you making a video of me making a video? You got two on your head. This is our carbonara and our vegetarian moletes.
Or something.
Like regular waiters, these cats were fast. And that song they're singing was still stuck in my head like a week later. But the food was really good, and if you're in Guadalajara, you should check it out. It is a novelty and pretty neat to see. Thanks for watching. Would you ever go to a place like this? Let us know down in the comments.